Hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts. So in this video, we are going to demonstrate a new project video, AI-based project video. So let's start how we can create a AI project by using the text to image series. Okay. So in this, we are going to use a library named as the here you can see that the Android text to image. So by via using this library, we are going to create an application. So let's see how we can do. So how to set up a project firstly. So first of all, just we have to click here and click on the file and go to the new and go to the new project. So when you click here, you can found a lot of screens here. Okay. So the first one is the empty screen and basic view activity, bottom navigation. So according to your need, you can create the activity here. And I have selected the empty view activity because I have to just demonstrate the library here. So just select this activity and click on next. So when you click on next, you have found a name form and a package form and the save location and language and minimum SDK here. So in this we can see like we have to create an application of AI using the text to image. So you can name accordingly according to your convenient. And so after that you have to create a package name according to your convenient, and you have to save a project according to your need. So you have to select the language, like if you are proficient in Java, if you are proficient in Kotlin, so you have to select the Kotlin or Java here. So from there you can select the Kotlin, and you have to select the API number 24 and Android version number 7.0. So here you can see your app will be run approximately 97.4% of devices. So you can choose it here, and according to your need, like where you have to run your application, like if you wanted to run your application on 100% of Android devices, so you have to choose some older version. So coming to the build configuration language, so what language you are going to do is like Kotlin DSL or Groovy or any other language. So you have the three options here. So you can select according to your convenient. So just click on finish. So then after you can able to create the project. So when you click on finish, so you will get this screen. So in this screen, you have to generate a main activity here. You can see here is the main activity. So let's see how we can use the library in this application. So just move to the this URL. You can see this URL here, and just move to the Android text to email library. So here you can see if you select the language of Kotlin DSL or the Groovy DSL, so you have to use the implementation method here. And while using the library, you can use text to image uh, according to our requirement. So just to move to the Android Studio again and just click on the build.gradle file. Okay, so here you can see it is called the project level Gradle file, but you have to write this in the app module. So here you can see I have uses this library here. Okay, so it is the Kotlin DSL. So you can see here we have used the Kotlin DSL thing. Okay, so after using this, you are able to access these classes like what you have used in the main activity. So then we have to create an UI. Okay, so how can we create the UI here? So just move to the activity main class. Okay, so this is the XML file that we have created, and in this we have to create an edit text. You can see the edit text here, and we have uses the constraint layout for this. And then after we have a button named as the convert button, and we have a progress bar as well in the convert button. Like when you click on the convert button, the progress bar is going to see here. Okay, and this is the image view here. You can create it here. So this is the image view. Basically, we are going to run our application in this image view. So coming to the main activity again, how we can write the code. So here we have initialized all the things, like, and also uses the tag named as the main activity. Here you can see in onCreate method, we have to set the content view named as the activity name. So thereafter, we have initialized all the element here. Okay. So when you click on that, so it is the image view, and where we use the find view by id r.id.generated image view. As in activity main, you can see here is the generated image view. Okay, so here you can see, like, let give some example here. So we can do a source, like we can give some image launcher background. So you can see here is the image view. Okay, so you can clearly see here. but we don't need here, so we have to make it empty. Okay, so that the our background will be clear always. Then after we have to move to the main activity. So in main activity you can see we have the input edit text, we have the convert button, we have the loading progress bar. So when we click on the convert button, so we have input text here, so we have to write a statement, and when we have to write some statement, our library is going to generate some image according to our need. So you can see here, and if the input text is not blank, if it is not blank, then we have to show loading and generate image method we can call here. Okay, and else we can see please enter some text here. Okay, so in this method we are going to create a generate image, text to image instance processes input dispatcher. We have to use the text to image like all the instances here. Then after we have to use the bitmap here. So we are getting the bitmap here, and all the bit array we are getting it. So we have to use this bitmap image and in the image view, in our image view. So we have to show loading is equal to false. We have to pass this value, and we have to show a toast method that the image is generated successfully or not. So we have to run it on the UI thread. Okay, so it will be run on the UI thread. So on error method, we also have to log this message like error in generating. Like if there any error, so we can show it here. So here is the toast message here and so loading message. So you can see here when we run in our emulator, so we have to connect with your mobile devices or in any of the emulators. So in my case, I have the Google Pixel 7a, so I have run our application in this app. So I already run it here. So you can see. Okay, so here, so we just search for the screen copy. Here we can see our mobile device. So we just need to execute our project once again. Okay, here our app is executed. So here we need to add some text here. Just click on that, and a man with a ball. Okay, so just click on convert button. You can see the progress bar is moving here. You have to wait for some time. You can see here is the image generated successfully, and you can see an image. So let's try some more example, like a man with a bag. Yeah, you can see here they have a bag, a man playing cricket. Okay, so you can see a man, AI has generated an image, a man is playing cricket. So so this is the all over the project that we have to use. So you can use this library according to your need, and for the college project or any other project, image to text to image library. So you have to pass the text here and press the convert button, and after pressing the convert button, this method will be called, and we can set the bitmap here. Okay, so you can see here. If you have any other doubt, you can just drop a comment, or if you have any idea of AI generation images or any other examples, so you can just drop a mail to the contact address codersarts.com. So thank you everyone.